Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solano, Avalanche, Shib, and DogeCoin in that order. And we are going to get through all the charts, I promise you guys, in tonight's video. First, we're going to start on the Bitcoin chart. Like always, it runs the market. This is the daily chart. Each candle represents a day. Now, I drew out some beautiful levels here for you guys based on our old video. Also, based on some new price movement, we had to reorganize some of this stuff here. So it made it nice and simple. I got some short-term averages here for you that will go over those numbers as well. I know some of you guys in the comments of my last video, and I do apologize for that. I usually always say the numbers, guys, and I got a couple videos. I think I put a link in the description. Maybe I didn't. When I talked more in depth about Bitcoin and the levels we were been looking at in the past, in my past videos, especially when Bitcoin was up, we were talking about, coming down. I mean, guys, when it got up to 48 and got rejected, I was telling you, what 26 to 24, back then. So those are levels we've been eyeballing for a little bit now. And also, I want to talk about this chart here, which if you this is called, if you go to here, these four, this is called MAEXP ribbon. So if you go to TradingView, guys, tradingview.com, this is free. You go to indicator templates, these four little bars, you hit MAEXP ribbon. Now this purple line right here, it's a different color when it comes standard on the chart. I just changed mine, and all it is a 20 EMA, and I hit the style and I made it purple. Okay, so that's all I did there. But we're going to also touch on that as well. So if we look back here, guys, this is my Coinbase chart, regular standard chart here. Some of my targets that we're looking at. Actually, you know what? We're going to start on the ribbons on the daily. Okay, so we actually finally hit that target that we talked about down here. This was my buy zone, anywhere from 26 to 24 200. We were talking about this area being our last line of resort. If that failed, then yeah, this area right here, the 891, that was all the way back from the 2017 high. I just marked that just to have it, but this was our area. So we had this area, we had these three areas. Boom, 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 level by level. That's how we trade, right, guys? So now what are we looking at? Well, we got our bounce, okay? And let's look. Short term. Well, I want to see this area hold up on the short term for more upside, because on the daily, guys, the daily's looking good. Now, the 4 hour, there's some things that are topping out. The 1 hour, some things are topping out. So we're looking for a little pullback, which we're getting right now. As you can see here, the stochastic on the daily, guys, this will continue to move to the upside as long as we're above 2740. As long as we do that, there's still upside on the daily. Could there be pullbacks in between? Yes, but as long as we're above that level, we should see some more movement to the upside. Also, you can see here our momentum indicator. It's kind of flipping high right now, which is showing me that this is kind of either a sideways consolidation move where we could go sideways, or I would like to see some more upside here, because so many things on the chart, they're kind of low. But let's look at the MACD. The MACD will continue to cross to the upside as long as we're above 29,615. Which, if you look at my levels here, guys, that is insane, because I have this level. I have a monthly here, or that might have been point of control. I can't remember. One of the two. It's a big level, though, that I was charting here. But I have a fib anywhere from 29,669 to this 29,450 area. So if we do break this 3,000, let's just say 3,311 area, if we do break that, this would be the area I would look for maybe a bounce, and then more continuation to the upside. And then what I would be looking for is a test up here around this 31,863 to 32,949 area. I believe if we do break that, there could be some resistance there. But if we do break that, I would be looking for this 35,000 to 36,000 area, and then get a rejection And then maybe, guys, and this might sound a little crazy to some of you guys, but look, people were saying things like when we were up here at that 48, and I erased all my lines from those old videos, but we could play some of that. Well, I'll show you some of those videos because I have my YouTube up. Which I want to go over because I know some people were worried about price action. And guys, I always talk about price action in my videos. I usually always say the numbers, and I do apologize because I forgot. That's on me in my last video. But I want to give you an example. I think, okay, so this one was back on May 8th, and this one was, this was Ethereum. Let's hear what I say about Ethereum here. Going to the down. Now, this was when it was at 2,500, guys, back on May 8th. Ready? And if it gets really ugly, guys, I would be looking at the 1,700 again. Okay, 1,700 again, guys. That was back on May 8th, right? People say you can't predict the price action. Well, look what happened, guys. 1,700 right here. Okay, which I got to write this line up. Boom, right there. All I did, this is a different chart, guys. I wanted to show you something different. So that was my Coinbase chart. But this is the hash ribbons, which that's why I have it on a fib. But guys, 1,700. That's what we predicted on May 8th. That was the exact to the dollar low. I know it's the 1701 here, but maybe it was 1701. No, I think it was 17. No, it was 1,700 even. Right here, guys. You see it right here on my screen. 1,700. We nailed that perfect. And once again here on this was Bitcoin. This was Bitcoin the other day. Look, ready? Bounce here. Yeah, we didn't get it. Broke through. We got to my third level. I don't think we're ready to get to this level down here yet. This 24 to 26, which I'll draw a white box there. Which we did. We had a little bounce, but then we got there. Now, can anything happen? Yeah, I mean, it could if there's something, with. So we ended up getting down to that level, which was my third box, which we talked about that. Even in this video, I had that level. Let's see. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. You could actually see it on here. This was on May 8th. Let's see. No, in there. It was on hash ribbons right here. You guys can see it, 26 to 24, 200. This was my level. I did put that white box because we were moving a little faster than I expected. Now, did I think we were going to move that fast? No, I did not, guys. We moved a lot faster than I thought, but we did have those targets. So, I did put the link in the description, with that in there. And I do apologize for not, saying those levels in my last video, guys. I was really, really tired. And I just wanted to let everybody know that, these are the levels that we're looking at currently right now because the chart has changed now. Okay. So we're on Bitcoin. I just went over the levels. Now we're going to go to Ethereum. Guys, Ethereum. Oh, look, we're bouncing off my fib right now. I just did this before the video. I just made this before the video. I want to see this 28. Is this really 2084? Guys, I was just making this video to see if we can get a bounce here at 2085. Are you kidding me? Actually, yeah, so I was actually looking for a bounce there and see if this 1 hour can hold up here on the ribbon. And that's actually coming out. It's getting a little bounce. Let's see if it holds. I would like to see this come down. Actually, could we get a little bit more? Well, if we're as long as we're under 2116 on the hour short-term chart, we could see lower. So could we test the bottom of this range? Yeah, we could. Let's see what else. If this fib does break, let's see what else we can come up with. Let's see what else we can come up with, guys, to give you that second level right there. All right. So if this 2085 does not hold, which currently it is, but if that does not hold, I would be looking for this 2017 or even 2000 even, guys. You could probably look for that too. Let's just say anywhere from 2000 to 2026. But yeah, 2017 to 2026, that would be the level I would look for a bounce if this does not hold right now. Okay. Currently, am I seeing downside? Yeah, I mean, RSI is telling us that. Momentum's kind of coming down, but we are getting my bounce. It's incredible. Technical analysis. Guys, people that say it doesn't work, it works. Now, I don't like this because if this does cross up, usually this is a big indicator. And guys, for some of you guys don't know, this is the ADX and DI4, V4, I should say. This is a great indicator. I actually don't know why. Come on, can we save at 20? It didn't save, did it? No, it went back to 21. I want it at 20. I like it at 20 better. It seems to be more accurate when it breaks. See how it got rejected at that 20? And then when it breaks it, it goes to the upside. And I'll give you a quick example on this on Ethereum. I know we're running out of time, but look at this, guys. It crossed and then boom, big move to the upside. And this is on the hour chart, guys. So this is short-term trading. And then look, we can mark where it got rejected. And you could kind of see how it got rejected right here at the peak, and it's coming down, especially off the yellow momentum bar. Okay. Let's see. MACD on the hour chart will continue to cross to the downside on the at 21.27. Let's look at the daily though, guys. Let's go to the daily on Ethereum. Let's see what we got on the daily. Yeah, I could see a bounce right here. Definitely. Even though some of the indicators aren't showing it. But, well, no, actually, we could come down here. We could come down to this level. Guys, keep an eye on this level, actually. This could be the level where they scare everybody because we don't want to make a new low. So we don't want to see 1997 break. So we don't want to see this come down. If we get some kind of higher term time frame closing under there, yeah, then we could see this 1950 or 1940 area, and it could get a little ugly from there. So maybe a wick down here and then a pop and then new high. Okay, that's what I'd be looking for Ethereum if this level does not hold. Okay, and then also to the upside, look at this. This is another fib that I drew up here. Right before I made the video, I drew these fibs up so you guys would have these beautiful levels. Where's the other fib at? Why can't I see it? There we go. All right, so we got this. This is kind of high. I don't know if we're going to get up there because I'm thinking we're going to pop up maybe to this 25 to 24 area, 25, 37, 24, 84, this fib, and then probably roll back over. But I think we can get up there if momentum keeps going on the daily. But first, we have to break this anywhere from 2163 to 2195. If we can get some kind of higher term time frame above there, then I'd be looking for this 2484 to 2437. And if we could somehow it just starts just blowing up and everything goes to the moon, then I'd be looking at this 2862 to 2941. But we're not there yet. I don't think we can get there within the next couple days. So it's kind of irrelevant until we see what happens here. But let's see if this area holds up, and we'll move on from there. If not, 1900 on my fib to 1700. That was based on the fib. If we took from here, this is how I got the level guide from 1700. It lined up with this level. Also, it lined up with the fib that we had. I believe it was back here. Okay, from high to low. All right, so that's it for Ethereum. You guys got all the levels right now for Ethereum. Okay, let's go on to Matic. Let's see how much time I have. Okay, I got plenty of time. Matic, guys, I already drew these fibs out for you. I want to see this 65 area hold to 67. If it comes down here and gets a bounce within here, that's what I would look for maybe a bounce area. Could something happen in between there? Let's look. We got a high, we got a low. Can we come up? Anything up here? No, maybe, what was it, 71.5? See, I don't really see, no. Yeah, I would look at this 65 to 67. And if we can get above this area at 75 right here, then I'd be looking at this 79.4 to 81.5. And then above there would be 91 to 94.4, and then 110 to 115. Okay. To the downside, let's just see that 65 hold up. Now, if that doesn't hold up, guys, we want to see this 61.4 and also this level right here. I'm going to prepare you guys for everything. That 58.8. You never know what could happen tomorrow. I know there's another report coming out on something, so who knows, right? Let's go to Cardano now. Cardano, you can see the line based off back here. Now, I don't think I thought, or I might have not even have done this, where I thought it was going to get that low. But I believe this was on a weekly. I think I had a fib. Did I have a fib over here? I had a fib at 43.5 and the 48.7, which we got a nice bounce off of there. So I would like to see short term. Wow, we're getting it right now, actually. Look, I had 58.2. This was my short term holding spot, anywhere from 58.2 to 56. And look at this, 58.1. Ooh, so maybe we could see something here. Let's see if we do get a little bounce back. Look, we got rejected right at my fib, and I did not change that fib. That's my fib originally had in my last video. So I want to see us break this area anywhere from 61.3 to 62.2. Then I want to see 66 and 67, and then 70 to 72 area. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. To the downside, like I said, 58 to 56, and then 48 to 43. I want to see that hold up. All right, Solano, this couldn't get any better than this, guys. My last video, we traded. We talked about this 34 to 38 fib. We got right into that buy zone right there. Perfect. Got the bounce. Now what are we looking at? Well, let's see if this 53. Actually, I want to move that up just a little bit. Well, same thing. 53.78. Let's see if that 53 holds up. And then I want to see us get above this fib up here at 66 or 67 area, and then back above this 72, and then work our way up to this 70 or 83 to 93 area. And then once we get up there, we'll worry about higher levels once we get up into that zone. To the downside, let's find something here for you guys. Let's see, what do we got? Well, I want to see the 40. Actually, no, I want to go see. Let's go. You know what? Let's go high. Let's go high. Well, we could see a bounce right here. 55. Huh. So we are kind of on some bouncy fib areas. Um, Let's see if the 55 holds up to the downside. If not, what can we see? We had a high here, a low here. If not, then I'd be looking at the 50.96 to 50.39. How much time do I have? 18 minutes. So we're going to go over this real quick. This is Avalanche. I want to see Avalanche hold up, guys, anywhere from 28 to 27. Short term, right where we're at right now, 33 to 31. I want to see that hold up currently at this moment. If that does it, then I'll be looking for that 28, 27. To the upside, I want to see 40 to 39 break, and then 50 to 53. Shib Army, Shib Nation. I want to see this 10.78 hold up to 10.53. And then our next level would be, currently I want to see 11. I should reverse this. 11.96 to 11.79. If that doesn't hold, then I want to see that 10.78 and the 10.53. And to the upside, I want to see us break this 13.22 to 13.35, and then maybe we could push back up to this 14.37 area. And then DogeCoin, how much time we got left? We got 45 seconds. I'll get this in, guys. DogeCoin, we had a nice bounce off the 6.5 area. I want to see this 7.7 hold up. And then I want to see short term, I want to see the 8.7 and 8.6 hold. And then I want to get back up to this 9.2 to 10, and then 11.3 to 11.33, and then 11.97 to 12.10. Guys, that's it for tonight's video. Much love. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. educational purpose only. But that's it for tonight's video. Much love to all you guys, and peace out.